Yeah, question 14. Use a Gaussian elimination to solve the following equations, clearly showing your steps. And we have the two equations on this one. Write in matrix form. That's step 1. And that will be equal to 9, 4, minus 1, 6. Okay, what we are doing, we are just writing the coefficients of those variables. For x, the coefficient for the first equation is 9. Y, the coefficient is what? 4 for the first equation. And for second equation, we have minus 1 for x and then 6 for y. Okay, then you put the attachments of the variable beside the matrix. Okay, so then equal to what? Equal to first equation 19, the second equation minus 15. So that's what we have. Okay, whereby this is your A, this is your X, this is your B. Okay, step 2. Step 2, write the augmented matrix. So, and that will be equal to 9, 4, then you put a line, then minus 1, 6. After this line, you write your equal value, 19 and minus 15. Okay, so that is the augmented matrix. Okay, then in this augmented matrix, we are going to use what we call the roll operation. So that's what we're going to use there. And we must have a direction. For 2 by 2, our goal or our target is here, we want to make sure that the leading diagonal are 1. What we have here is 1. And then below that, it could be 0. Either here, either the below or upper. Either of the two, one of them must be 0. Okay? And that's our target. One of this place, below the leading diagonal, this could be 0, or the upper one, 0. So that is the direction we want to use for these augmented matrix. So, step 1. Rule 1, vary by 9. Let's see what we get. Let's divide the 1 by 9. So we have 1, 4 over 9. Okay, minus 1, 6. Then 19 over 9. And then minus 15. Okay. Then the next thing to do now, to make this place to be 0, is row 2 plus row 1. So this is 1, 4 over 9, 19 over 9. Here, minus 1 plus 1, that's a 0. 6 plus 4 over 9, that's a 58 over 9. 58 over 9. And the other one, minus 15 plus 19 over 9, that's a minus 116 over 9. So that's what we have gotten so far. That's that. Then the next thing that remains now, since we have a direction here, must be 1. So what do? Row 2 divided by what? Divided by 58 over 9. Okay? So that's what? 1, 4 over 9, 0. It will be 1, 19 over 9. And then minus 116 over 9 divided by 58 over 9. That's minus 2. Okay? So, then the final conclusion, we've gotten our targets of having the leading diagonal here to be 1, and then to have below that to be 0. Okay? So, what that means is that Don't forget this column is for x column, and this column is for what? Is for y column. So here, 1 times y, that's y equal to what? Equal to minus 2. Okay? So y is equal to minus 2. Then go to this place, this row, this first row. It implies also that 1 times x, that's x, then followed by plus 4 over 9 times y equal to what? 19 over 9. And then we have our y as what? As minus 2 plus 4 over 9 times minus 2 equal to 19 over 9. So we now have x plus 4 times minus 2, that's a minus, that'll be minus 8 over 9 equal to 19 over 9. And that's equal to, move this one to other side. We have 19 over 9 plus 8 over 9. And that will be 19 plus 8, that's 27 over 9. So x is what? X is 3. Okay? So x comma y is what? Is 3 comma minus 2. So that finished that question.